Hey, there are some potential news about the next iPad mini, as well as one of the improvements that we should discuss and maybe even consider with upcoming tablet. But first thing first, let me ask you, do you believe that iPad mini 7 will be featured on this Apple September event? Please answer in the comment section below. This is very important because technically we are just weeks away from Cupertino's presentation. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Markings. I'm the channel's host Marco and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by Benks. I've had an opportunity to test Infinity Pro stand and to try out their Urban Pro case with a keyboard and a trackpad. I gotta say I was pleased with these products. And not long ago I got my hands on two more of their accessories, ultra high quality InvisiBoost MagSafe wireless charger with hydrogel cooling and a kickstand, as well as Infinity Mag stand for MacBook or any other laptop. Their products are well crafted with sophisticated design. Check out the link in the description and pinned comment. Use Digital Markings 15 code and get 15% off. Now let's roll. A couple of days ago, Shrimp Apple Pro, one of the known leakers, has shared in his tweet how Apple may unveil at least one new model of the iPad soon. And according to his claims, this could likely be 7th generation mini. While this wouldn't be a big surprise, considering that this update should be minimal, its arrival in 2023 after months of rumors pointing at the next year as the most probable launch scenario are definitely something for a headline. Truth to be told, and as I said in my Apple September event video, I'm more optimistic about the iPad Air next month, yet hoping to see an iPad mini as well, I'm no stranger to. As we've seen in various publications, iPad mini's successor should receive a new chip, most likely a 16 and in the best possible scenario a 17, but less likely. This is not considered as a huge step above a 15 from the current model, but it is an improvement. I've seen that many would prefer more power like the M-class silicon, but this would just be an overkill. However, if there is one thing where Apple can give that extra push for better performance overall on the iPad mini, could definitely be memory. 2021 iteration was a long expected jump, not only in terms of design but in specs too. Moving away from 3 gigs of memory to 4 was the winner, with iPad Air 6 on the way for M2 processor, which will continue with 8 gigs of memory. iPad mini could easily guess at least another kind of boost in the form of 6 gigs of RAM, which could be a step up comparable to iPad 10, for example, whose successor at the moment we know nothing about, but it does carry 4 gigs of RAM. Another potential improvement that I'm looking forward to seeing in upcoming 7 iteration is probable increase in base storage from 64 gigs to 128. On the other hand, there are some aspects of the next iPad mini that will be no different from its predecessor. Identical visual style with sharp edges, edge-to-edge 8.3-inch display with 60Hz refresh rate, even if many would prefer to see issues with so-called jelly screen resolved. Back camera will not be changed either, while front-facing shooter will definitely remain in a portrait position, considering that Apple still wants that you use your iPad mini mainly in vertical mode. That also means don't expect Smart Keyboard Folio nor Magic Keyboard specifically designed for Cupertino's smallest tablet. I would give a thumbs up for a faster USB-C port, but that's just me. Will Apple really release an iPad mini this September? Hopefully, and I don't mind. I am thinking to give it a shot, although I'm personally interested more into iPad Air, since my 11-inch iPad Pro for 2018 has a little display issue. If not, my next tablet of choice will be the iPad Pro in 2024. But there is a lot of time until then. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, slap that thumbs up and turn on all notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Marketing channel. My name is Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.